Hello, Glyza. Thank you so much for your comment. So, as I have mentioned in my previous videos, credit card do not work that way. Let me explain. So una, Glyza, gusto kong malaman mo na it's good that you are very much responsible in using your credit card. Nasa yun na yung pera mo, ginagamit mo lang yung credit card mo to make your transactions or kumbaga padaanin dun yung mga gastos mo for you to earn points and for you to build your credit score or credit history. Ngayon, the reason why credit card don't work that way, it is because kung ganun ang gagawin mo, babayaran mo, kakaskas ka, bayad agad, hindi siya maganda sa credit history mo, credit report mo. So I suggest, kapag ikaw ay gumamit ng credit card mo at nasa iyo naman ang pera, pinadaan mo lang again ang transactions mo sa credit card mo, just save it in your savings account, and then once na nag-generate na ng statement of account, usually advance yan 2 weeks before your due date, doon ka magbayad ng credit card bill mo kasi nag-cycle na ng one cycle yung iyong credit transaction sa iyong credit card. So, counted na yon. Maganda ng history yon na hindi mo pinatatagal yung utang mo sa bangko. So, again, ipunin mo lang lahat ng transaction mo, itabi mo ang pera mo sa bangko mo. Once you receive your statement of account, doon ka na pwede magbayad. And ganun din kasi personally ang ginagawa ko. Every time the bank generates my statement of account, I pay it a day or 2 days after na mag-generate yung statement of account para happy spending tayo, smart, and walang sosobra sa spendings mo. I hope this helps.